FSC service is the integration service between the ECM ELO and the DocuSign electronic signatures. The presentation will show the two cases of automatic signature calling the service APIs, interactive signature through the web agent. Before starting the execution of the signing procedures, let's go to see what is the FSC service configuration required to call the DocuSign APIs. On the top, the web agent URL is set. In the web service URL, the remote signature URL is set. In this example, all the addresses are demo addresses. The real addresses will depend on the services purchased. In the timestamp boxes, a timestamp address and the related login profile can be configured. If the timestamp configuration is present, FSC service will allow to timestamp the signed documents. On the bottom, several user profiles, authorized to log into DocuSign, can be stored. It is possible to memorize the full DocuSign login profile, allowing the fully automatic signature for massive transactions. Case 1, the following scenes will show the digital signature application, from a DocuSign remote signature appliance to a document stored in ELO. In this case, the position of the signature in the document is predefined in the call parameters, no interaction is required to the user. From any document to sign, we go to the menu Signature tab. From there we click on the Assign Document button. A message window will be shown to instruct the user. In this case, the signature login is not prompted, because the login profile is stored in the encrypted configuration file for massive automatic signing. But the system can be configured for each user in the way to ask always for her/his own signature login. The signature process has been completed and the signed file has been checked in back to ELO. The signature can have a graphical representation for each user. We can verify immediately whether the signature was applied or not, refreshing the document on the ELO client. Let's go to verify the signature by calling the verification function of the service. The verification result will be represented by green lines for the verified signatures, by red lines for the not verified ones. Details on the signature are readable, scrolling or enlarging the window. Let's go to apply a second signature to the same document, utilizing now the web agent appliance. Case 2. The following scenes will show the case of the digital signature application to a document stored in ELO, utilizing the DocuSign web agent signature appliance. In this case, the position of the signature in the document is selected by the user, accessing a browser window, which shows the document. The procedure allows also the selection of a graphical representation of the signature. Login already done. The message advises on the opening of the signature ceremony window. Clicking on the Sign button will apply the signature after having selected the desired graphical representation. Let's select a different image. The process is finished with the communication of the result. We must refresh to get the second signature. Let's go to verify the two signatures of the document. Thanks for your attention.